Cancun Travel Guide. Hi everyone. Today I'm going to tell about one of my favorite vacation destination, Cancun, Mexico. Location in the Mexican Caribbean, Cancun in I know for its wine, sands, beach, Turkish words, and vibrant night beach, and also place for Mayan culture, nature, and delicious cuisines. Let's explore disturbing it together. Where is the If you want to win on the sea, the hotel zone is perfect. The Warren inclusive resort and luxurious hotels with beautiful ocean views, but is a reduction looking for sometimes more affordable and local. Downtown Cancun offers boutiques, clubs, restaurants, and public transportation. Getting around Cancun is a very high. Use a take public bus, which an inexpensive runs friendly between the town and hotel zone. Taxi and also available but sure agree on price fees. For more freedom you can weekly saucer. Where to eat Cancun is a foodie paradise. You'll find international restaurants in the hotel zone with the wants to experience authentic Mexican food. Is visiting the restaurant downtown, try cochinita steaks, ceviche, and forest dessert. Don't mix marquesitas and chunky dessert. What's to do? There are so many to do. You can relax on the beach, visit the Mayan museums, or explore the Mayan ruins on the race. If you ride Felix Adventure, smoke amongst the coral reefs, or squint and cenotes, you can halt to take a dip through Isla Mujeres, Chichen Itza, or Eco Park like Xcaret. Cancun is just a beach destination and full culture fun and unforgettable memories. Thanks for watching and have open visit on Cancun soon.